Hey everybody, this is Chris. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your videos to YouTube. So why would we want to use YouTube instead of Lima? Well, there's a couple advantages. Number one, YouTube gives you auto captioning. So this way you don't have to manually type in everything that you say. The Google AI will try to translate to its best ability and create a closed caption track for you. Number two, YouTube optimizes the resolution per device. So it'll send low resolution video to cell phones so it can handle the bandwidth, but it'll also send HD video to things like desktops with broadband connections. And number three, everyone knows how to use YouTube. Everyone has it on their phone, their tablet, and their desktop. It's easy to use, it doesn't require any new codecs or specialized software, making it easily distributable. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do, if you haven't done this already, is to activate Google Consumer Apps on your Hawaii.edu account. If you haven't done this, you will not have access to YouTube. So what you want to do is go to hawaii.edu/Google/extra. Again, that's hawaii.edu/Google/extra. And scroll down to the bottom of the screen and log in. If you've already done this before, you'll get this message. If you haven't, you should have a message congratulating you that you activated your consumer apps and you should have access to YouTube now. You only need to do this one time, so this is the last time you'll probably ever see this screen. So I'm going to close this out. So how do we gain access to YouTube? First thing first, I'm going to go to my little application stack in my Gmail. Click that. I'm going to scroll down. You should see YouTube. There is one more setting that we need to change on our account before we start recording, and that is the recording time. By default, YouTube limits you to 15 minutes of upload time, but we can change that. So what we want to do on the left-hand side is scroll all the way down to Settings. Click Settings. Then click on Channel Status and Features. If you haven't done this already, you need to enable longer videos here. So I have it enabled. If you don't do this, you'll be limited to only 15 minutes. So let's start uploading some videos. And it's really simple to upload. So on the upper left-hand corner here, you're going to see a little icon of a camera here. Click that. Then click Upload Video. Simply drag your video into the window. Notice that YouTube preserves your naming convention here. I do recommend this naming convention. Here we are using geography, the course number, and a numeric sequence 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, etc. So this is easier to sort. I'm going to add a description here. Just FYI, this is the direct link to your video here. So you can actually email this out. You could put this into Lima, and this is the direct link to your video. It's already created. But I'm going to show you something else that's neater. We're going to create a playlist here. And what playlists do, they actually group all your videos for a particular class into one list. So this way, you just need to distribute the URL to that one particular list. Anytime that you add something into there, it'll automatically pop up. So let's do that. I'm going to create one here. I'm going to set the visibility to unlisted. The reason why we do this is that anyone with this link will be able to see the videos within it, but your list will not be found on public search engines such as Google and Yahoo. So let's create that. Something important here Even though we just created our list, it doesn't mean that the video is in there, so we need to select that. Click Done. And this is new to YouTube. It's asking you if this video is meant for minors under the age of 18. So we're going to click No. Click Next. Accept the default values. This last section here is asking you about the visibility of your video, not the playlist. So we're also going to make that unlisted. And then click Save. We can close that. We see that our video has been uploaded. It's unlisted. What we're looking for right now are the playlists. So if you look in the right-hand column here, click Playlist. And you should see that Geography 800 that we just created. We know that it's unlisted because it has this little link here. If it was public, there would be a globe. If it was private, there would be a padlock. So again, what unlisted means is that anyone with the link to this particular playlist can see it, but it's not discoverable by search engines such as Google and Yahoo. So let's see what's in the playlist. Right now we have just one video in here. And in order to share this playlist with our students, click Share. And this link here is a direct link to this playlist. Anything that's added into this playlist, they'll see it, so they can check frequently back. If I wanted to add more videos to here, I would simply repeat the process. So let's do that really quickly. So we upload our video. We drag and drop our file. We add our video to our playlist. We accept the defaults, make it unlisted, and save. Now let's check our playlist. And there it is. Simple as that. YouTube sometimes doesn't have the most intuitive interface. So what happens if you go straight to youtube.com rather than logging into your hawaii.edu? You're going to notice on the left-hand side there's no playlist icon here or anything in the menu. It should be listed under here, direct links, but I think it only lists like 10 or so. So for any reason why you don't see it here, simply click on Library and look at the second section of the page. All your playlists that you ever created should be in there. If you have any additional questions, feel free to email us at uhilodl@hawaii.edu.